Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and welcome my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing couple gift design. Viewers, different people have different choice and they love different color. Some people love dark color and some people love light color and some people love bright color. So friend, in this video you will see different color and different design and different unique design for gifts. So friend, the best gift for couple typically fall into a few categories. Practical item, they use personalized gift that celebrate their relationship, or activities and expenses they bring they love together. The lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on and get their make shine more and more. This is a cute gift pattern based around the design of hearts. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. These patterns are one of the cutest items you can make as a shower gift for your friend. These gift patterns are having to all fabulous designs from easy, this simple or elaborate as you want. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more decent patterns, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. So viewers, share this video to your friend and family members. So friends, be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. We will meet you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.